Here's something that might sting a little. The average person spending $1,200 a month trying to look wealthy has a net worth of less than $5,000. Meanwhile, the guy driving a 10-year-old Honda next door, he's quietly sitting on a six-figure portfolio. Looking rich and being rich are almost never the same thing, and today I'm going to show you exactly how that gap gets created, one small decision at a time. Welcome back to Finance Flow, where we take the confusing world of money and break it down into strategies you can actually use. If building real wealth, not just the appearance of it, matters to you, hit subscribe, because this is exactly the kind of thing we dig into every week. So why does this topic matter so much right now? Because we're living in the most visually competitive era in human history. Every scroll on your phone is a highlight reel of vacations, designer bags, and brand new cars. And whether you realize it or not, that constant exposure is quietly shaping your spending. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly where that money is leaking. And stick around, because the third mistake is the one almost nobody talks about, and it's usually the most expensive one. Let's start with the obvious one, cars. A brand new car loses about 20% of its value the moment you drive it off the lot. So someone financing a $45,000 SUV isn't just paying interest, they're paying to watch thousands of dollars evaporate in real time, just so their car looks impressive in a parking lot. Here's the fix. Buy a reliable car that's 2 to 3 years old and let someone else eat that first depreciation hit. You get almost the same car for 30 to 40% less. But here's the problem. Cars are just the beginning. The next one is sneakier. Lifestyle creep. This is when your income goes up, and instead of that extra money building your future, it quietly gets absorbed into a slightly nicer apartment, slightly nicer clothes, slightly nicer everything. Nobody makes one big reckless purchase. It's death by 1,000 upgrades. The fix here is simple but powerful. Every time you get a raise, immediately move at least half of that increase into savings or investments before your lifestyle has a chance to expand around it. Automate it so you never even see the money. It gets even worse though, because there's a third mistake, and this is the one that really separates people who look rich from people who actually become rich. It's spending on things other people can see while neglecting the things nobody sees. Your retirement account, your emergency fund, your investment portfolio. Psychologists have a name for this. It's called conspicuous consumption, and it's been documented for over a century. We are wired to prioritize visible status over invisible security. The fix is a mindset shift. Start treating your future self as someone you're financially responsible for. The same way you'd budget for a person who's depending on you, because eventually that person is you. Now here's what's interesting. The people who actually build wealth almost always look boring from the outside. Warren Buffett still lives in the same modest house he bought in 1958. That's not an accident. It's a decision, repeated thousands of times, to value 10 years from now more than the next 10 minutes. And that's really the trade-off underneath all of this. Every dollar spent trying to look wealthy today is a dollar that can't compound for you tomorrow. Compound interest doesn't care how your car looks. It only cares whether the money actually showed up. So here's a question for the comments section. Which one of these hits closest to home for you? The car, the lifestyle creep, or the invisible spending? And more importantly, which one are you going to fix first? I genuinely want to know, because some of the best advice on this channel comes from you sharing what you've actually lived through. If this video gave you something to think about, do me a favor and hit like it. Genuinely helps this channel reach more people who need to hear it. And if you want more real talk about building actual wealth instead of just the appearance of it, subscribe, because that's exactly what we do here. Picture yourself 5 years from now. One version of you kept upgrading the car, the wardrobe, the image. The other version kept investing quietly in the background. Same income. Two completely different futures. The choice you make this month is the one that decides which version you become. See you in the next one, right here on Finance Flow.